Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Trading 212 application in practice mode. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Trading 212 application on your device and then log into your account using your credentials. After you are taken into the home page, you can enable practice mode with just a few steps. If you are looking to learn trading without risking any of your own funds, then this feature is built into the application, which can be enabled by just tapping on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now on the menu page, if you scroll all the way down, then you will see the switch to practice button at the very end. Go ahead and tap on it and you can choose from the various practice options. Tap on the start button for your desired option and your account type will be switched to this practice account right away. Now when you come back to the main menu, you will see the switch to real money option. You can tap on this anytime you are ready to start trading for real. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch the Trading 212 application into practice mode. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.